Hey guys, wanted to make a quick video tonight. Um, for me, it's kind of a lessons learned video, and for you, definitely would like to make the video to make sure that you guys are keeping, your overall ETFs in mind when you're looking at trading the overall market in mind. I was looking at obviously the overall market, but I was really focused on. Um, the sector rotation and then stocks within the sector, and I totally missed a big setup on the SPY. So I wanted to review that with you guys here, so you can see, once again everything was still weak. So obviously, I had a sentiment of weakness going into the market, but I was, like I said, looking for that sector rotation and possibly playing some strength in whatever dollars, whatever sectors those monies were rotating in. But you can see Qs were weak, Dow was weak, VIX was essentially started off stronger, right? SPY was definitely weak, and the Q was definitely weak going into the day. So if you look at the SPY, so if we chart the SPY on the daily chart here, so you can see the green lines are going to be all these lines on here are support and resistance lines. So you can see the green lines are the weekly, the purple lines are the 4-hour, and then the gold is the daily level. So you can see if we go to the daily chart, let me change this to daily. Obviously, I had a sentiment on market weakness going into the day. Okay. So if you can see, going into the daily time frame, we were breaking below this daily, right? This daily line right here. Okay. This was a key level to where if the SPY broke below that line, right, you could play weakness in the market. So now if we go to a 5-minute chart on the SPY, that same gold line that was here at the 463.29 level, you can see right here, same thing, that 463.29 level. Pre-market, it was holding up right above that line, right? That 463 level right here. See? And so now going into the day, you can see it started to squeeze right before the market opened. It was in a low compression squeeze, and it went to a regular squeeze, and it broke below that 463 line. So this was kind of the move, as I like to say, this was kind of the move of the day, right? So you could have entered right here on the midpoint and then played that down, right, until your red bars turned to yellow, meaning that the selling pressure was coming off and buyers were coming back in. So you essentially could have entered right at that 463 level, and you could have played it down to 457 before you actually got out. Could have got out right here, probably once you've seen that bar change from red to yellow. I think when I was looking at the options, I think I was looking $5 out. You could have bought an option. You could have bought a put for $31, and I think it got up to $227. So you could have a nice return on that play today. But definitely lessons learned here, and you can see if we go to the Qs, and we'll look at the Qs on the 5-minute as well. So you can see the Qs broke as well when I was in a squeeze. So you could have gotten in on that pre-market break if you wanted, and you could have played that down from 374 down to 370 now. The Qs wasn't as clean of a break as the SPY, but nevertheless, it was still a good setup on the Qs. So with that being said, I do have a position in AMGN. Actually, it's a biotech stock. I've actually had this position for a bit, and this is on a daily chart. So if we go to AMGN, this is on the daily. You can see right at this key level right here, this 225-ish level, we had a pin bar right at this level. Usually when you have a pin bar at that level or at any level, there's definitely a strong push by buyers. So hopefully tomorrow, this either gaps above that 231 level or it just shows strength first thing in the morning and can push through. I think the next key level coming into play would be around 240-ish. And I've got 250 calls, so a few weeks out. So should be a good move tomorrow. We'll see how things play out. If we go to our other daily chart here, or a 4-hour chart, you can see where we've got some strength coming in. Right, these little light blue bars means we've got some buying pressure coming in within the squeeze on a 4-hour chart. So we should have a nice push above there tomorrow. That's what I'm thinking. So with that being said, hopefully you had a good trading day. Hopefully you stuck to your rules, and good luck trading the rest of the week. Like I said, coming up tomorrow, Fed's going to speak, I think, at 10 a.m. So that should loosen the reins a bit on the market. And then I think Wednesday's consumer index, and then Thursday is the beige book. So anyways, happy trading. Talk with you guys later.